Hey everyone, welcome back to How To with Sonny. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to close open apps on your iPhone and how to do it faster if you have a lot of apps running. First, if you're inside an app or on the home screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle. This opens the app switcher, where you can see all of the apps that are currently open. To close one app, simply swipe up on that app card. The app will disappear from the app switcher. If you have several apps open, you can speed things up by using multiple fingers. Place 2 or 3 fingers on different app cards and swipe up at the same time. This lets you close multiple apps much faster instead of doing them one by one. Just keep in mind that iPhone does not have a single close all button for every open app. You'll still need to swipe the app cards away, but using multiple fingers makes the process much quicker. And that's it. That's how to close open apps on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.